know that you can actually invest 50,000 naira every month and you can get over 150 million naira over time? You can actually retire very rich. Now, before you say this is impossible and a clickbait, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the numbers, right? I'm going to show you how you can achieve it and of course, where you can actually invest this money. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So for the first year, if you save 50,000 naira monthly, by the end of that, you will have just 600,000 naira. But if you invest it at just 12% interest per annum, you have 635,000 naira. Wait for it. By the fifth year, if you save 50,000 naira monthly, what you will have will be 3 million naira. But if you invested it for the same 12% interest, you will have 4,083,000 naira. Now let's go to year 10 because it's getting more interesting if you follow this video well. If you actually save 50,000 naira consistently every month, you will have 6 million naira in your account. But if you invested it at the same 12% interest per annum, what you will have by the 10th year will be 11,502,000. Now, by the end of the first decade, here is where the magic begins to happen. By year 15, you would have saved 9 million naira if you actually were saving 50,000 naira monthly, right? But investing it will give you 24,979,000. Hold up, we haven't gotten to the juicy part yet. If you save 50,000 naira for 25 years, you will have 15 million naira in your savings. But if you invested it, guess what? You will have 93 million naira, 942,000 naira. Ladies and gentlemen, if you save 50,000 naira for 30 years, you will have 18 million naira in your savings. But if you invested it consistently at just 12% interest per annum, you will have by the 30th year 174,748,000 naira. Do you know how beautiful that is? I mean, you just had 18 million naira up in your savings. But guess what? Compound interest made it 174 million in 30 years. No wonder Albert Einstein actually calls compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Now, what happens is that at the beginning it is quite slow, but over time it skyrockets. That is the wonder of compound interest. So that means if you're starting out now, you are better off than somebody who decides to wait for another 5 years, another 10 years. You don't have to wait any longer before you start taking your investment very seriously. If you noticed, I use 12% interest per annum just to make you know that you don't even need the high numbers. Right now, low risk investments even offer more than that, but I just had to use 12% interest because we are going with 30 years, and so there are times that it will be higher and sometimes it will be lower. But you know what 12% really is? That is a very small amount of interest on your money, right? But see the wonders that happen in a matter of years. If you're asking yourself, is that how magical this compound interest is? Yes, it is actually magical. You know what actually happens? The money that you invested is just 50,000 naira. But you see, that 50,000 naira earns interest on it. And that interest on that money earns another interest. And that particular one earns another interest. And so it just keeps on going on like that. And that's why you find out that from the 10th year, things started taking a better shape. And by the 20th year, oh my goodness, everything now looks so good because all the money you have been investing since year one have been giving birth to interest, and those interests keep yielding more interest, and those interests keep yielding more interest. So that is the beauty of compound interest. So if you are in your 30s right now, this is a good time for you to start. Oh my goodness, if you're in your 20s and you can afford to invest 50,000 naira every month, so beautiful. But if you can't even afford 50,000, don't let that discourage you. Even if it's 20,000 naira you are investing from now, trust me, you are better off than someone who is not even making an attempt at all. And you need to be consistent at it. And by the time you're retiring in your 50s and 60s, you will be retiring very rich. Now, I know you might want to know also, where can I invest this money? How can I actually invest 20,000 naira every month, 50,000 naira every month to actually make this happen for me? I will advise you to invest in fixed asset funds. Now, you know it is a long-term game. And when it comes to stocks and other high-risk investments, nothing is guaranteed. Now, what we are going for is capital preservation. So we are actually going to go with very low risk investments, and that is why I am talking about fixed asset funds. Right now, you can get even as much as 15 to 20% interest per annum. But in our calculations, we actually use 12%, just so you know that even with as little as that, your money is still going to work wonders for you, right? When it comes to investing for retirement, capital preservation is very key. We are not dabbling into anything that will make us lose our capital. So conservative portfolio is what it is. And so you want to look at Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, ARM Investment Managers. We have Meristem Wealth, United Capital Asset Management. These guys have been playing the long-term game when it comes to asset management, and so you can actually choose from them. And for people who feel like 30 years is too long to keep your money for, I quite understand you, because after all, tomorrow is not promised. But I need you to know, whether you like it or not, 2056 is going to come. That is another 30 years from now. And when it does, the question is, what will you have to show for it? Are you going to be telling tales of, oh, if I had known, oh, all those monies that I spent in those years? Or you are actually going to prepare for it by starting now without excuses? And you don't have to start with 50,000 naira if you don't have it. If it is 10,000 you can afford, if it is 20,000 naira you can afford, just start now. Because when it comes to compound interest, time is your leverage. So start now, and later on you can actually increase what you are investing. But excuses is not going to give you anything in your account. Add 30 years to your age right now and ask yourself, when 30 years comes, what will it be for me? Will I have a portfolio worth over 100 million naira, or I'm just going to have tales to tell? And before you say, oh, what about inflation? Inflation is at 20 something percent, and you're telling me I should keep my money for the next 30 years for just 12% interest per annum. Now, from the calculations, you find out that you only saved 18 million naira in 30 years with the 50,000 naira analysis. But you see, you now have over 150 million naira in your account. So you see, inflation has got nothing on you, because every money that earns something, that earns something, that earns something. Inflation will only come to play if you just left it in your regular savings account. Maybe you're just saving it somewhere with little or nothing being added to it. Then inflation will come to play. But because you are actually investing it, and those interests on your money keep earning something on it, and because of that, the effect of inflation is reduced to the barest minimum. I hope you actually found value in this video, and if you still have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time here. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, because here I bring you investment ideas, business ideas as well, productivity videos, and sometimes we just have a heart-to-heart talk. So subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video with someone you know is going to benefit from it. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one.